Well, during lockdown, remember lockdown?
I do remember lockdown.
Never forget lockdown.
2020, the year that never happened.
I know. I discovered a new joy in my life, which was making journals and resources. Since then, I've done very little of it, and I've really, really missed it.
It has.
I really enjoyed it. I like it's like the thrill of the chase, really. I like the finding the imagery and creating the resources and creating the journals and just sharing projects with you. Once the projects are finished, the journals, I lose interest and go on to something else. But I love to create. So, this is my plan. Now winter's coming and it's getting chilly. We've got the heating on today.
Yes, we have. And I'm wearing a sweater.
I'm not. I refuse to give in. I'm manly. Right. So winter's coming. So I think we all ought to craft together. So shut the curtains, put the heating on, get a coffee or a hot chocolate.
Put another log on fire.
Another log on the fire. Burn another pile of $20 bills or £20 notes as we do here. And join me and we'll craft along. I've got lots of ideas for new products, some new journals and some lovely, lovely MDF stuff.
Yes. So the plan is that you're going to do a monthly project, aren't you?
I am.
So you're going to come on once a month-ish.
Ish.
Possibly more.
Yeah.
But at least once a month with either new products that you've designed and had to play with, or some new, fully fledged handmade journals that you do.
I love doing the journals.
You do?
I love the tinkering, and as my mum used to say, I don't think it's a rude word, fanning about.
Faffing. Faffing's a better
Faffing
word.
about. Sticking bits together, gluing bits together, sewing bits together, making things. I love doing that, and I love to make them. When I've made them, I'm bored.
Yeah, I know what you mean by the thrills in the chase. It's more, it's the hunting of the right kind of imagery, creating the right kind of design that fits, and getting the aesthetic right.
Yeah.
And then putting the product together.
But the crowning glory of it all is when you guys say, I love it, and I feel really happy. Or, I love the journal, I love the stuff. Will you do some more? Will you do this? I love it.
Yeah.
It's just fun.
Yeah. So the plan is that you're going to create a one-off handmade journal.
Yeah.
However, the ephemera and the pieces that you put into that journal will be available to purchase as a separate thing.
That's right.
So that you guys can make your own version of that journal back at home again.
There will only be one journal. I'm only making... Last lockdown, I got myself in a bit of a hole. I made journals and I made multiples and multiples and multiples and multiples. And I love making them, but I got so fed up of tea dyeing papers in the oven.
I think at one point we went through nearly 2,000 sheets of paper.
2,000 sheets in the oven at 2 at a time. That takes a very long time. It's 35 seconds.
It does.
But I want to do a journal. So one of you guys hopefully will purchase the journal, but everybody can have a set of the ephemera.
We'll be able to purchase the ephemera.
It'll be physical ephemera, not downloads.
And here's a sneak peek of one that's going to be coming soon.
Yes.
This is a Nouveau, William Morrissey kind of beautiful journal, isn't it?
But you'll have a look at the ephemera for that in a moment. So without more of ado, I think that's the right word. Further ado, let's look at the ephemera that I've created for this wonderful William Morris Art Nouveau type journal.
Are we on?
Are we on? Are we there? Anybody there? Oh, it's been a long time. So this is my new set. This is my Art Nouveau Beauties.
It's a little bit shiny because of the plastic cover. So just to get rid of the
shine, shall we?
The reflexione. Oh, look at that! Look, it's all gone now.
It looks beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so there's 31 pieces in the set.
31.
Yes.
Wow.
Well, so you get spring. Let me have a look, which is spring. Spring.
That's autumn, isn't it?
It's autumn, which is spring then.
Well, that one's definitely winter. That
one's definitely autumn, because she's got... Anyway, spring, summer, autumn and winter in no particular order. These are based on the paintings of Edvard Munch. Mucha. M-U-C-H-A.
Munch was the...
there was Scream. I knew what I meant anyway. So we have the little journal cards. They all come with the...
These are the tag journal
tags. These are the tag journal cards. Yep. So they're
cute. Of course, you could just stick these together if you wanted to and write on the back. But like Ian's done, he's added some gold ribbon to the front so that you can open them and write on the inside as well, do bullet journaling and that kind of stuff. So you've got grid paper on the back, haven't you?
Yeah,
that one.
Everyone's got grid paper on,
like vintagey style grid. You've not distressed these at all?
No, these are just as they come out of the packet. Okay, so we get those.
Lovely.
We've also got the circles, the discs.
Roundels.
Roundels. These are lovely. These have also got on the back to write.
Hold one up a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, you see those?
I think it's not too bright.
No, I think it's fine. It looks fine on the camera, it's just the screen's a bit bright.
Yeah.
There we are. They're really pretty.
They are. Lovely.
So there's those. They're 2.5 inches. Then there's some 2-inch ones. Again, there's stuff on the back.
Lovely.
This is sort of an ex-libris card. You could just stick that on the back of a journal.
But also perfect for sticking on the back of one of those, or on the front of one of those little mini envelopes,
yes, yeah. See there? There's also to write on the back.
Yummy.
Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 folded journal cards. These have got different backs on them.
So turn them over and show them the backs as well, the front and the back.
She's lovely. So one. You can write with a white pen or a silver pen on there. And of course they all open up.
Nice.
I like that one.
It's lovely.
It's a little bit Viking.
Do you think it's Celtic?
I think it's a bit Celtic. It's very, very arts and crafts Art Nouveau.
Yeah.
But it looks a little Celtic, I feel. Nothing wrong with that, of course.
Absolutely.
That one. This is lovely. I love that one. So there's those. Plus,
I love the colour. Just the colours of these ones. They're just marvellous.
Plus, there's some little cards there. Like you see the backs there. There's some larger ones.
Oh right, okay.
Which you can write on, and they have the little.
Are we going to do approximate sizes?
Oh
or
yes,
size
I think so. You bought me a new ruler, didn't you?
I know, that's a dirty ruler as well.
And this one is about 2.5 inches by just under 4. And then we've got Spring, Summer, Autumn, Winter again, but these are just straight ordinary up and downs. There's no folds in these.
Right, so these could be used as placeholders or bookmarks.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. These are bigger though. These measure.
I think your tags could be used as bookmarks as well as if you wanted to.
4.5 by 2, a little bit bigger.
Very nice.
So there's a lot you're getting in this kit. Plus,
what did you say?
31 pieces.
31 pieces.
These are nice. These are all Moët Chandon labels.
Ooh, Champagne.
Campagna. Dry Imperial and White Star. So they've also got on the backs those. Has got the lines and the grids.
So
2 1/8 by just over 5.5. So they're big.
For a decent size.
Right, then of course.
And then the corners.
You need your corner pockets. The corner pockets are lovely. So we'll do the left pockets first. These, of course, have also got it on the back.
Right.
So if you wanted to write secrets in it. So you've got 3 there.
You could write shouty things on the back, couldn't you?
You could write shouty things and hide them so nobody knows you've been shouting.
And you could do a very pretty angry journal.
You could, couldn't you? These are just over 3.5 by 3.5 inches in the corners, which in English money is about 95 mils.
Yeah, and of course they will fit in.
Oh, everything fits in there, yeah.
They'll fit in.
Yeah.
Everything will fit in.
So they're your lefts, and these are your rights.
Cool. So the 6?
6, yeah.
So 3 lefts and 3 rights.
3 lefts and 3 rights, yeah.
Perfect, absolutely perfect. Because if you wanted to do a journal with 5 signatures and put 1 in each, then you're set, aren't you? You're brilliant.
Yeah. So these are all from the set. So recap, so you get your 3, 6 pockets.
So 6 corner pockets.
Yep. 2 large journaling cards.
Yes.
4.
You're looking at me as I should be writing these down. Should I be adding these up?
No. I know this. I know this.
Do you want me to?
No, because I've counted them already.
Okay.
So then there's the smaller journaling cards. I mean, when I say smaller, they're not that much smaller, but they are slightly smaller.
They're great for page edges, those.
And you've got your quite plain ones. These will be really, really good. You could stick photos on the back if you wanted.
Yeah, little photo cards.
Yeah, little photo cards. A little Ex Libris card.
If you've got one of those little Instamatic cameras, you know, the ones
Oh,
that do
yes.
the 3x...
Yeah.
Is it 3x4 photos?
Yes,
now?
yeah, tiny.
They'd be absolutely perfect to stick in there.
Then we've got the little discs. So there's 4 nice. 2.5s, 2 2s. The squarish, I say squarish, folded ones rather than the tall ones.
Yeah.
Unribboned or strung, whatever you call them.
Yeah, okay.
So you've got those on the back. And then we've got spring, summer, autumn and winter with the lovely gold ribbon. It comes with ribbon, don't worry.
And the eyelets.
And the eyelets. Comes, as you see here, is everything you get in that pack. So that is the Art Nouveau. But I've also made a journal, but I'm keeping that for another day.
So you've actually used all the ephemera
I've used
in an actual journal.
I've used all the ephemera in a journal. In fact, I've used 3 sets of this.
That was the one I was holding downstairs.
You were tormenting.
I was not quite finished yet, though, is it?
No, because there's the front covers to go on.
Inner covers.
Yeah. There's some MDF I'm having laser cut specially for the front.
Excellent stuff. So that will be at your next video.
My next video. Plus, I've also got a one-off Christmas journal for celebrating Christmas this year.
Oh yes, I saw that. I wondered what that was.
So that's not ready yet because that needs a little bit of laser cutting to go on the front, but that will be shown next week.
Fantastic stuff. Lovely. So are these on your website now?
Funnily enough, they are, Mike. Yes.
Excellent stuff. So what we'll do is we'll put, that's Ian's link on screen now, but there will be a clickable link in the description area below the video. So, and if you're watching this on my blog, I'll put a link directly to Ian's website from that as well. So
these are on the page with all the rest of the other ephemera. If you're buying from the States, get a couple of packs of something else. It makes it worthwhile.
At the moment, because the dollar is so strong against the pound at the moment.
You get a bargain.
It makes sense.
It does. So thank you for listening today and watching today.
Yes. And we'll see you all again very soon.
I'm really excited about coming back.
So don't forget, give the video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you get notifications every time we upload a new video.
Yes, indeed. And Bentley says woof woof as well.
He does. It's all from us for now. We'll see you all again very soon. Bye for now. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. And don't forget to check out your exclusive angel-only content over on my website. Thank you.